acquiring some satellites. Then I'm going to attempt to do the 1 mile speed flight. Sport mode engaged.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Take her up to about 150 feet, and then I'm going to go straight for that cell tower, which is by my property. Make it 200. Looks like we're going to have to punch it up to 300. I don't think those cell towers were as far away as I thought they were. Punching it up to 400. Scoot to the side of that tower a little bit. Came over my property. RC signal is lost, interference. Alright, 5260. We're coming back. Cancel this. That thing drops down to the return to home flight. We're going to be in the damn trees. Hopefully I'll get the damn signal back here soon. Signal's back. You'll notice I didn't turn around, I just pulled the stick straight back. So I should have a little bit of an advantage on you here, Jeremy. Coming back past the cell towers. Strong wind warning. I should be able to drop down in height a little bit. Bring it down to 300. Ooh, I'm back at the park. Boom. Just under 5 minutes. Woo, she cooks, man. She cooks.
Landing.
Challenge completed. The 1 mile speed test.